Shoppers in Dubai are looking for two things: purpose and value, and there couldn't be a better place than the Dubai Outlet Mall, at least for the latter. Well, today I am, as you can see, in the mall, the region's first outlet concept that offers over 1,300 premium brands with discounts, values, offers all throughout the year. Well, let's take a quick peek into what the new extension of the mall has to offer. So first things first, tell us a little bit about the concept of Dubai Outlet Mall, i.e. how is it as affordable as it is?
Well, the concept of Dubai Outlet Mall is a very much important equation in the complete retail industry, which helps both the retailer as well as the customer. For the retailer to liquidate their stocks and the customers to get the bargains, which we offer every day of the year.
Right. So we here are at the new or the extension of the original Dubai Outlet Mall. Tell me more about the extension. It's not surprising that, there's more demand for it. However, what are the features? What is going to be new in this new park?
Well, when we opened in 2007, we were the first factory outlet mall, concept mall in the Middle East and North Africa. And since then we are going strong, and this expansion is just an organic expansion which is required with the demand that we have. When we opened, we were right in the middle of the desert. Now the desert is shrinking.
Yeah. Vishal, earlier you mentioned a little bit about the tenants that you would like to attract in this mall, in the new phase of the mall. Can you tell me more about who you're targeting at this point?
Well, the tenants, we welcome all the retailers who have a great business plan to work on the outlet concept.
Okay.
And what we are doing is complementing whatever we have lack of in the phase one. So we are adding on home and furnishing, we are adding electronics, we are adding entertainment, we are adding cinemas, we are adding the first cash and carry concept of the hypermarket, a mega market as we say. We have tied up with Lulu hypermarket for operating that, and both of our parties are looking forward for the first expansion here.
But would you say there are certain verticals, especially after last year, that are doing better than the others?
Well, the good thing about an outlet concept is that every vertical does very well equally.
Yeah, great. So we are here, which looks like one of the bigger retail outlets here. Can you tell me more? What is here?
This is 130,000 square feet of the first cash and carry mega market.
Okay,
That will be happening here. So it will have the regular hypermarket plus in addition to B2B as well in terms of bulk purchases.
Right, and this has been leased out to Lulu already. Amazing! Can't wait to see what they will have to offer now.
Looking forward to it.
So right now we're in the 3-story F&B space of the Dubai Outlet Mall. So Vishal, tell us more about the role that F&B has to play in the success of a mall.
F&B as an important element of a mall caters to the small customers for extending their stay. So and especially in an outlet mall, when the average stay of a customer is an extended one because they're looking for bargains and offers. F&B plays an important part in terms of bringing them in, refreshing them, rejuvenating them, and go back again for shopping.
Right, and what are the kind of concepts that you are hoping would fill this space?
Well, we have F&B on 3 levels, and it has on 3 levels we have like most of them have al fresco seating, like it's an inside-outside seating area as well, overlooking a big expanse of landscape. And further to that, we have Arena, that is the biggest, largest 45,000 seating capacity event area.
Oh wow, 45,000, that's a lot. Yeah.
Well, we have already conducted major events with Ed Sheeran, Bryan Adams, Guns N' Roses,
I see a few residential communities there.
See, what we are doing is this mall will become a part of a community in itself. We have, right next to that we have a 20,000 villas community coming up.
Yeah.
So earlier we were a destination, we were in the middle of the desert, but the population is coming this side. So we will become a part of a community. So this mall will serve the immediate community and demographics as well as the people coming from the city.
But considering the value for money this mall has, I think people have been very happy to even drive down, you know, even if that wasn't the case. But the fact that the community aspect is coming into it just makes it so much better.
Very much, because see, even though people think that we are far away, we are only about 20 minutes drive from the World Trade Center.
If you live in Dubai, you know how important parking can be. So we are at one of the main entrances from where we can see the parking building. Tell me more about the parking lot.
This is about a 5-level parking lot that we have constructed with over about 4,800 car parkings.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
So people can, in this area, people can drop off from there, go back, park their car, or they park their car and enter to the mall from inside the parking.
And is there any valet facilities?
There will be valet facility. There will be all the facilities of what a customer requires.
Okay, so from this entrance we go to the entertainment avenue, is it?
That's right.
All right. So Vishal, retailtainment, as we know, is where the success of any mall lies today. We're all looking for an oomph, a wow factor, etc. And entertainment and leisure facilities tend to provide that more often than not. So in terms of entertainment and leisure offerings, what do you have?
We will have a calendar full of such events which will keep the customer entertained all the time, along with the basic form of entertainment, which is value shopping.
Yeah.
Nothing goes better than saving money.
Shopping itself is entertainment.
Shopping itself is entertainment, and saving money on top of shopping adds cherry to the cake.
What is it that the retailers can get? How can they benefit from being a part of the Dubai Outlet Mall?
Well, thankfully, during this turbulent times, we are the only mall with over 95% occupancy as of now. That's the reason that when this phase comes in, we offer a retailer an honest platform for doing business.
Yeah.
We are over 85% more frequented with the footfall compared to pre-COVID, considering about 40% of the footfall earlier were tourists.
Okay.
So now that tourist footfall is limited, that shows that a lot more of the local residents have started to visit this place.
Okay.
So from our side, we just talk about the honest business platform.
So Vishal, as you know, no conversation today is complete without the involvement of technology, data and all of that, right? I'd be very interested to know how Dubai Outlet Mall is using and leveraging technology and data within its brick and mortar stores.
Well, the way Outlet Mall has always led innovation in terms of technology and these new components.
Yeah.
So we are looking at an omni-channel approach once we start the expansion. So along with the same, our other team, a part of the same group, is working on launching a different omni-channel experience, which will give a complete experience to a customer seamlessly.
Right, so by omni-channel you mean click and collect being where the customers...
Anything and everything, whatever we can do, what we will do.
Amazing. And is there also an app or a website?
All on the cards. We have a very popular website and app. Yes, we are on in the stage of developing it. So it will include both the parts, phase 1 and phase 2 together.
Amazing. So very excited about the expansion of the Dubai Outlet Mall, and we can't wait to see what you have in store for us in the coming months. Thank you again, Vishal, for joining us. Thank you for those insights.
Thank you so much, and we look forward for you to shop here sometime soon.
Oh, I'm going to be here very soon. And thank you for watching Retailer Me TV. We will be back again very soon.